Hello, buongiorno, buonasera. My name is Slim Man. Slim Man, welcome to the show. I'm up here in New York City, Baltimore, Maryland. I'm here in upstate New York, a place I affectionately call the Upper U.S. But before we get started, let's say hello to the real star of the show, Batu. He was named after a soccer player, which may explain why Batu likes to watch soccer. Today, Batu and I took a ride down to Fort McHenry State Park. Right out there is where Francis Scott Key wrote the Star-Spangled Banner. I was at the Smooth Jazz Awards, and they invited me on stage to sing a song, so I did Secrets of Your Heart.
By your side for just a moment, heaven, you can show me the secrets of your heart.
And now we're back at the shack. We're starving. Let's whip up our cauliflower and breadcrumb sauce, a salmon with a marsala sauce, risotto with the shrimp and peas. Let's take an egg, then we're gonna take a zucchini. We're gonna need 1 large onion. Let's take a bulb of garlic. What do you think of that, boo-boo? Let's take a large pan. Let's grab a fork, beat those eggs up, beat them up, chop it up fine. We're gonna add a little cracked pepper, and they are ready to fry. And you know what Frank Sinatra said? Fry me to the moon. And you know what Nat King Cole said? He said, you gotta straighten up and fry right. Let's put our balls in the hot oil. Wow! And we're gonna add 1 pound of farfalle pasta. We're gonna take some hot sauce, baby, this evening. Stand back, Jack. Let's set it on fire. Woo! Turn the heat up to high, and when the sauce comes to a boil, we're going to reduce it to a simmer, and we're going to let it simmer for 2 or 3 hours. It looks delicioso. This looks magnifico. And here are our, oh hi Batu, crab cakes, our halibut with our panko breadcrumbs, and here it is, our frittata. But you know, we always give the first bite to the real star of the show. And ladies and gentlemen, we always give the first bite to Batu. It's Batu approved. Now it's time for me to take a little bite. Are you okay? That blows. Is it delicioso? Si. I think my tooth just fell out. It's gooey, it's chewy, it's a delish, it's a nutrish, it's creamy, it's dreamy, it's delicioso. Mangiamo. Ciao, ciao, ciao.